Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can trim and split the videos in the CapCut apps. So open the CapCut apps and you can tap on your project, select your videos that you want to edit. For example, I already have one project with one video here, and to split or trim, you can select the video and then you can select split. So split again, and you can delete for the unused clip. For example, I'm going to select the middle clip and then select delete. So that's it. You can split again as you like, and select the unused clip and select delete. Alright, so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.